Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Python is a powerful and versatile programming language that is widely used for various applications, including web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. Its simplicity and readability make it an excellent choice for beginners. In this tutorial, we will cover some basic information about Python and provide code examples to help you get started. Before you start writing Python code, you need to install the Python interpreter on your computer. You can download the latest version from the official Python website. Follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Once you have Python installed, let's create a simple Hello World program. Open your favorite text editor or integrated development environment, IDE, and create a new file with a .py extension, such as hello_world.py. Type the following code. Save the file and open a terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the directory where you saved the file and run the following command. You should see the output. Congratulations! You've just written and executed your first Python program. Python uses indentation to define code blocks, and it is crucial to maintain consistent indentation. Here's an example of a simple Python script. Python supports various data types, including integers, floats, strings, booleans, lists, and dictionaries. Here's a quick overview. Functions are reusable blocks of code. You can define your functions using the def keyword. Here's an example. This tutorial provides a basic overview of Python programming, covering installation, syntax, data types, and functions. Python's simplicity and readability make it an excellent language for beginners. As you continue your Python journey, explore more advanced topics such as object-oriented programming, libraries, and frameworks to enhance your skills. Happy coding! ChatGPT